Okay, someone had requested a video showing the Park MGM pool area. So, here it is from the elevated platform where you get off the tram. It's interesting, the signage around here is still kind of mixed, so we can zoom in. Take a little bit closer look. It's not an enormously huge complex, just looks like about 3 pools. It's pretty warm today, but not a lot of people around the pool so far. Looks like maybe some cabanas along this side, and then possibly all the way down there, although that might be a cafe or a bar. So, I don't know how easy it'll be to get out there and walk around. If I can do that, I'll add that to the video. But if not, I hope you enjoyed this.